Experiencing nature with the grandkids.
Whoa! Why is this rock so slippery?
Because it has algae. Algae is slippery.
No, this rock doesn't have algae.
Not allergy. Be careful, Kaka.
I have to pop off. That rock right there does not have algae.
Algae.
Algae. It's still allergy. What the heck? He said algae.
Mars, I thought you was getting in.
I know. I want to catch a fish first.
Kaisa, go down there, Kaisa. Get in there and walk up there. Okay, go in.
He goes faster.
Now walk over there.
She threw his cross.
They're catching minnows.
I don't know. She done like that. Big. Where's my crock at? It's over there. Right there. It's near that rock.